Hello everyone who watched this video tutorial. Today I will share with you my new oven easy to crochet pattern. And I would say this is for beginner. It is based on single crochet stitches made into the back loop of each stitch. You can see such pattern in the brim part of the hat, scarf, and this is very stretchy. As you can see, I have done 3 examples made of different kinds of yarn. For such examples, I used different colors. Such pattern you can see in the hat, especially in brim part, or as main pattern. So this is very simple pattern. It can be made by even beginners. So if you don't have special skills, this is pattern for you. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Let's get started crocheting. Make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The foundation chain is ready. Then chain to bring up the yarn. This chain I'm going to do at the beginning of each row. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then make single crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. This is very simple. Like this. I have done all single crochet stitches. Then chain to bring up the yarn and turn the work. Now I'm going to work only with one loop. And now make single crochet into each back loop and make single crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done 5 single crochet, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I skipped this chain stitch. Row 2 is ready. Make chain to bring up the yarn and turn the work. Then I'm going to work with back loops. Insert the hook into the first back loop. Make single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Then you should crochet as many times as you need. And today you have seen how to crochet simple pattern for any project. It consists of single crochet stitches, and I remind you I work it with back loops. This is front side and this is the back. As you can see, this is double-sided pattern, So you can use this pattern for creating scarf, jacket, hat, headband. This is the very stretchy. In this case, I used another kind of yarn. Here how it looks. So this is very simple pattern. It can be made by even beginners. So if you don't have special skills, this is pattern for you. Such pattern you can see in the hat, especially in brim part, or as main pattern. This pattern consists of chains and single crochet. Thank you so much for watching and crochet with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me in social media.